Pretty bitch music. Big mama, I'm a shit talker. I see him copy every look, I got a few daughters. Every check I deposit got a few commas. Pretty bitch, mouth slick, I'm a good problem. Fell asleep in Gucci.
Hi everyone, this is just a quick video just to show you how to apply Glam with Ruby press-on nails. So first you are going to need your wooden cuticle pusher that will be available in your press-on set. You're going to need cuticle oil. You're going to need a small buffer. You can use liquid glue or press-on glue, and also a sterile alcohol pads. So first you want to start with pushing back your cuticles gently with your wooden cuticle stick. And then you want to go ahead and buff all of the nails gently and take off all the shine off of your nails. You want to make sure that none of your nails have shine on them. This is very important for your press-on nails to stick to your fingers for a long period of time. And my press-on nails, they last for a very long time, whether you use liquid glue or the press-on glue. So that's what I'm doing here, just buffing gently. And you want to also take a brush to dust away any excess dust. Next, you're going to take your alcohol pads and take off all the dust and debris off of your nails. This is very important too, because this will cause your nails not to lift. Next, I'm taking my glue, my KDS glue. This is the best glue that I've been using since I've started doing nails. And if you notice, I'm putting the glue only towards the tip of my nail. You don't want to put the glue on your cuticle. So I'm putting it towards the middle and the tip of my nail. This is just a great way for you to remove your nail when this is good for when you remove your nail. Excuse me. And also, when you put it on your nail, make sure that you're pushing your nail back to your cuticle so it can fit perfectly. This is why it's so important for you to have your nails measured prior to getting a press-on set made for yourself, so it can fit the length of your nail or the width of your nail. So just apply glue and press them on and hold down for 30 to 60 seconds. So I'm going ahead now and I'm applying my cuticle oil to all 10 fingers. And you want to make sure you do this too, because, you know, it just gives an extra shine to your nails. It's not going to cause for your nails to pop off, so you won't have to worry about that. I just really like cuticle oil because I feel like with all the brushing and filing, it makes your nails, you know, kind of dry. So you want to add that to your fingers. And this is the final product. I hope you guys like them. And make sure that you place your order with Glam with Ruby for your next press-on nail set. Thank you. Bye.